Maral Media Services no bedo joloch makanya klaitielo marabich mag tuke Sara Cup mano bagialap ma school secondar ma St Mary's School Buore Nairobi. Team maradula mara RMS no ka loche finals to klo team mara FKF Kikuyu sub-county kai kidieny mag tuke volleyball RMS no lo team mara Husawa sets ariyo kuom nono. Tuke mag ng'wech kidieny mar Luora loro pap dichiel team mar RMS ben no tingo Emmanuel Ochieng Swini Jangara Beriloyo gi Nathaniel Maina no ka loch. Tuke gi bago higa ka higa mar choko omenda michwale riwruok ma Dr. Sara Ruto omenda makonye puonjo nyithindo mawuok e familia mochando.
Thank you. This year our intention is to raise 10 million. We have been raising, we started from 500,000 and it has been growing because there are many more who have this heart to give. Who do we give to? We give to the needy, but those whom society has decided are not bright. Because many fundraisers or many scholarship opportunities are targeted to the bright and needy.